Nature has always been a canvas of endless wonders, but every so often, it surprises us with moments so rare and extraordinary that they seem almost unbelievable. One in a billion. These fleeting instances, whether it's a perfectly timed animal interaction, an unusual weather phenomenon, or a breathtaking natural alignment, remind us of the sheer beauty and unpredictability of the natural world. This collection captures those magical moments that are not only awe-inspiring but also a testament to the power and mystery of nature.